In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Spotify mobile ID. Depending on what you need it for, the term Spotify mobile ID can mean one of two things. In most cases, it refers either to your Spotify username, which is your account ID, or to your Spotify profile link. It's also important to know that your public display name is not the same thing. The display name is simply what other people see on your profile, while your real Spotify ID is automatically generated by Spotify and usually appears as a longer string of letters and numbers. The good news is that you can find this information directly from your phone, and there are two easy ways to do it. The first method is the quickest, and it lets you view your official account ID right inside the Spotify app settings. Start by opening the Spotify mobile app on your phone. Once the app is open, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. This may show your profile picture or just your initials. From there, select Settings and Privacy. After that, tap Account at the very top of the screen. On this page, you'll see your unique ID listed under username. That is your official Spotify account ID. If you need the exact ID for logging into a service, connecting another app, or identifying your account, this is usually the most accurate place to find it. The second method is useful if you need something you can easily copy and paste, especially into another website, app, or third-party service. To do this, tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the Spotify app, then tap View Profile. Once you're on your profile screen, tap the three dots near the top right. This opens more options. Next, tap Share, and then choose Copy Link. Spotify will copy your profile link to your phone's clipboard. Now paste that link somewhere you can read it easily, like a Notes app or a blank message draft. Once pasted, you'll be able to look at the profile link directly. This is often the fastest option when a service asks for your Spotify profile, URL, or when you need to reference your account outside the app. Just remember, if someone asks for your Spotify ID, make sure you know whether they want your username or your profile link, since those are not always the same thing. And for privacy, avoid sharing any other account details beyond what's necessary. That's how to get your Spotify mobile ID using your phone.